Good morning, students. Today we are going to talk about career options in physical education. In previous class, we already discussed about the use of physical education in our daily life. Okay. Now, how can we use physical education, the knowledge of physical education, for the betterment of our physical development, for mental development, for social development, and also main important thing is emotional development. Okay. Now we are going to just talk about how can use this physical education as a career option. After having a knowledge of physical education, how can we earn money? Okay, for that topics we are going to just go through this our next topics. That is career. Now see, the success of a sports person, people in the recent international sporting events has brought in the focus of the following sports careers. As we see that nowadays sports person are earning much more as compared to us, only because of their physical capacities and abilities what they are showing in the field of sports. Their name and fame are just go up to the mark like anything. Okay, only because of keeping that in mind. Each and every single parents is just only talking about मैं अपने बच्चे को बड़ा होकर क्रिकेटर बनाऊंगा, ये जा करके फिर बास्केटबॉल इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर बनेगा, because some of them or many of them is having a one thing in their mind, in that particular game there's a lot of money in future. Only because of that thing we are just going to concern about what's the use of physical education for earning money. So starting also here from our school. Okay, so this is the first point now aayega teaching career. It includes elementary school level, middle school level, higher secondary and secondary level, and colleges and university. First of all, we talk about teaching career. सबसे पहला करियर ऑप्शन आपके पास क्या रहेगा? टीचिंग करियर. ठीक है, वॉट एवर द नॉलेज यू हैविंग आफ्टर गेटिंग सम प्रोफेशनल डिग्रीज फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कॉलेजेस, यू आर गेटिंग सम डिग्री. ठीक है, बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दोस डिग्री यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू बी अपॉइंटेड एज अ फिजिकल एजुकेशन टीचर इन स्कूल्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स टीचर्स एंड ऑल्सो सब काइंड ऑफ कोचेस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, लेकिन उसके लिए बेस क्या होता है? एलिमेंट्री स्कूल 1st to 5th क्लास के बच्चों के लिए, सेकंड मिडिल स्कूल 6th to 8th क्लास तक के बच्चों के लिए. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज हायर स्कूल, हाई स्कूल एंड सेकेंडरी स्कूल 9th से लेकर के 12th क्लास तक के जो बच्चे होते हैं, those students will consider high school and senior secondary school. And for attending those students and for making a sports program for these kind of students, some kind of specific people are there. ठीक है, and those people are going to make one I can say one yearly plan. In that particular yearly plan they are going to discuss about which kind of activity should be done in which month, and for the wholesale development of particular students or a group of students. Okay? Next is college and university. As same like school, those kind of activities also perform in college level also. And who is going to be responsible for that? Those physical education teachers and those person who are having a degree of physical education in with them. Okay. Next. Now for the highest the following branches has a career to teach. When we talk about higher studies, it is basically related with the 11th and 12th physical education, and also after that it is the basic whatever we are learning in physical education in 11th and 12th. But when we go to the deep knowledge of physical education, it is going to be seen in college level. Okay? When we talk about physical education, it is a mixture of all these things in a single book. कौन सी जो हम फिजिकल एजुकेशन पढ़ रहे हैं 11th and 12th क्लास में, बट व्हेन वी गो टू द कॉलेज लेवल, ठीक है, each and every single subject is having a one book. Okay, just like if we talk about biomechanics, the mechanism of our biological system and what are the rules and regulations is putting on it, then these we are going to learn in biomechanics. Kinesiology is a kind of subject in which we are going to learn about which kind of kinetic energy is applied in our body movements. Clear? Sports anthropometry, which kind of tests and measurement and whatever the things are should be there. Just like एक पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड बारीक से बारीक चीज की जानकारी हमको इस सब्जेक्ट में मिलती है. देन स्पोर्ट्स साइकोलॉजी, whatever the things is run inside the mind of a winner or a loser. Clear? That kind of things, and there are so many kind of things which comes under sports psychology, which is going to deal with our brain functioning. Whatever things is running inside our mind which affects our performance. In our back we can say downfall. ठीक है, how can we enhance our performance? Those things we are going to learn in sports psychology. Now next is sports medicine. In sports medicine which is the perform in a group of people. In that thing, we have to just keep in mind how we have to socialize with other people. ठीक है, how we have to adjust, how we have to overcome from this our fear of having a friends and having of those people in our team जिससे आपकी बनती नहीं है. ठीक है, वो सारी चीज़ों की जानकारी आप किस तरह पढ़ेंगे? स्पोर्ट्स सोशियोलॉजी. Next is sports nutrition. When we talk about sports nutrition is a kind of a subject in which we are going to talk about those kind of nutrients. ठीक है, which is going to be support our body for enhancing our performance in the field of sports. So these are the basic or these are the some subjects what we are going to learn in higher level. Now go to the next point. Now next point we can choose as a career, as a coaching career. First one is as a teacher, second one is as a coach. Now administration related courses are also there. जैसे कि आपने देखा है when we talk about BCCI, FIFA, and there are so many federations which is governed by the government of our India. ठीक है, those kind of federations, those kind of organizations is having some kind of office are there, and who are going to work in that? Those people who are having the knowledge of administration, how the things works done in a proper manner, in a proper channelized manner. उसके बारे में हम किस तरह पढ़ेंगे? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रिलेटेड कोर्सेज के अंदर. After having the knowledge of this thing, we are going to be appointed as a some kind of president or some kind of work or job in these kind of organizations. ठीक है. Next is physical education department. Just like in a school we have a sports department in our school. ठीक है. Just like that in colleges and also in universities also there are some kind of physical education department are there. उनका बेसिकली काम ये होता है कि they are going to make a one yearly plan. जिसमें so many kind of competitions which are going to be done in a state level and also in national level should be managed. उसका particular chart बनता है और according to that particular chart all those competitions are going to be held at on the particular same date. और ये चार्ट ऐसा होता है कि साल के शुरू से शुरू होते होते आखिर तक उसका फाइनल competitions हो जाना चाहिए. Those things comes under physical education department. And we also discuss about the sport department too, which is running school level. Now, industrial recreation. What is the meaning of industrial recreation? As we know that the work timing in industries, just like if we talk about some kind of software engineers also, जिनका basically टाइम ज़्यादा 10 से 12 घंटे किसमें निकलता है on sitting in front of computers for enhancing the productivity of those people. ठीक है, they are having some kind of gaps between those working those hectic working hours. जैसे कि हमें अगर on an average if we are going to talk about what is the average working hour of in those multinational companies, they are having almost 10 hours of working in a single day. And what will happen if we are not able to sit even for 1 or 2 more hours on a particular place? We are not able to give our performance up to the mark. ठीक है, for enhancing the performance of these people, okay, they are having some kind of slots are there. Just like in a particular after finishing a 1 hour of work, we just go for a single particular room जहाँ पे आपके बहुत से रिक्रिएशनल गेम्स हो सकते हैं. ठीक है, आप जाइए वहाँ पे अपना माइंड रिफ्रेश करिए, देन वापस आकर के आप वापस अपनी काम में लग जाइए. It is just exactly works like a refresh button in our computer. Just like if we are surfing from so many hours in our computer system, its performance is getting a little bit reduced. For enhancing those performance, we are just using one refresh button. Okay, and that refresh button regain the 100% capacity of our computer system. Okay, and that kind of effect is also performed in industrial application work also. Yeah. Next is sports facilities management. What is the meaning of sports facilities management? Basically, we are going to talk about when sports facilities. These are the companies which are dealing with the sports equipments. Okay, whenever the competition is going to be there, what are the requirement of those particular competition? Everything should be managed by these kind of industries. Just like if you talk about IPL होना है, in IPL there are so many balls is required, so many stumps is required. ठीक है, जो भी इक्विपमेंट यूज होते हैं इन एनी पर्टिकुलर इवेंट, वो सारे इक्विपमेंट का मैनेजमेंट स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट ही करती है. सो हैविंग नॉलेज ऑफ दिस कोचिंग करियर इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन, वी आर गोइंग टू द दिस काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स आल्सो. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट Now, after having a knowledge of physical education in detail, we are just also going through these career options also. First one, the next one is health related career. In health related career, we are going to discuss about those career what we can done by our or choose by our own. Okay? In this health one is also there. We are already seeing there are so many kind of gyms are there. There are so many kind of fitness clubs are there. Those kind of fitness clubs are choosing some kind of skilled persons for giving the coaching to that particular person who just take admission in the particular fitness club or gymnasium. Okay? Second one is athletic training. What's the meaning of athletic training? Each and every single game is having a specific kind of skill is required. Okay, just like for taking an example of cricket. In a cricket, we are just going to talk about batting, bowling, fielding. These are the main three basic things what we are going to see in cricket. Okay? Even in our Indian cricket team, we have so many coaches are there for our different skills of our sports persons, okay, of our cricketers. Okay? Just like as we are going to talk about the head coach is called Ravi Shastri. Okay? But what about the bowlers? Because of the bowlers, we need a specific kind of coaches there who is having a proper knowledge of how to bowl, how to swing, how to spin, how to think. These are the things comes under the specific kind of coaching. ठीक है? उनका काम होता है कि पर्टिकुलर प्लेयर को कोचिंग देना. In an Indian cricket team, we are talking about 11 or 15 or 16 players are there. बट उसमें से जो बॉलर्स हैं, बॉलर्स किसके पास जाएंगे? दे आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट बॉलिंग कोच. ठीक है, हु आर इन गुड इन बैटिंग, दे आर गोइंग टू कंसल्ट विद द बैटिंग कोच. हु आर गुड एट इन फील्डिंग, दे आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू फील्डिंग कोच. उनकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि जिसमें जो कमी है उसको वहाँ पर से सुधार जाए, ताकि ऑल सब पूरे जो लोग जब एक साथ होंगे तभी टीम को बेहतर परफॉर्म करके दे सकते हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस रिलेटेड करियर. इफ यू आर गुड एट योर स्पोर्ट, clear? If you are good or you can say best in your sports, then you are going to be utilized for getting medals for our country or we can say in state. पहले आप स्टेट में मेडल लाएंगे, उसके बाद आप कंट्री के लिए खेलेंगे. वो डिपेंड करता है how much professional you are in your particular sports. Okay? Next is as an official. When we talk about official, there are so many things happen in the sports field. Clear? Just like if you are going to take again an example of cricket, umpire, leg umpire and the third umpire. These are the main basic official or important official for running any particular cricket match. Okay? But even after those three people, there are so many kind of people or a group of people who are working directly or indirectly for the organization of that, organizing that particular cricket tournament, and those people is called as an officials. Okay? Next. Now, career in communication and media. Now, which kind of career we can find or get after physical education? Career in communication and media. First is sports commentator. What is sports commentator? We always see a match. एक बार आप अगर उस मैच को म्यूट कर देंगे, it is not going to be so much interesting. But with having a some kind of commentary जो background में चलती है, okay, that kind of career we can find after having a deep knowledge about of that particular game and the history of that particular game. With having a knowledge of both the things, we should be good in commentator. As we see, जितने भी क्रिकेट होते हैं, जो भी हमारे जो पास्ट के जो क्रिकेटर्स होते हैं, they are just selected as the commentators because they know the history of Indian cricket, they know how to go through the Indian cricket. ठीक है, इंडियन क्रिकेट का फ्यूचर कैसा होगा, दे नो ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल थिंग एंड ऑल्सो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस एंड ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल डीप नॉलेज ऑफ अबाउट क्रिकेट. सो दैट्स व्हाई दोस पीपल आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्टेड एज द कमेंटेटर्स. ठीक है, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिज्म. इवन आफ्टर दोस कमेंटेटर्स देयर आर फ्यू पीपल हु आर जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट सम काइंड ऑफ न्यूज़ फ्रॉम एवरीवेयर. ठीक है, इवन जो चीज़ आपके सामने टीवी में नहीं हुई होती उसके बाद भी दे आर गोइंग टू गेट सम काइंड ऑफ न्यूज़. जो भी न्यूज़ पब्लिश होती है पेपर में, टेलीविजन में जो दिखाई जाती है, दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स कम्स बाय द स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिस्ट. ठीक है, इवन फॉर टेकिंग एन एग्जांपल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिज्म, इन ईच एंड एवरी सिंगल न्यूज़ चैनल, in each and every single news channel there is a kind of a specific person is there who is just going to host that particular sports event news. ठीक है, बिकॉज दैट पर्सन इज हैविंग नॉलेज अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर स्पोर्ट्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स में कौन कौन सी चीज़ होती है, इसीलिए पर्टिकुलर जो पर्सन होता है वही स्पोर्ट्स न्यूज़ को बोलने के लिए और उसको बताने के लिए अपॉइंट होता है। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कंसिडर्ड स्पोर्ट्स जर्नलिज्म। नेक्स्ट इज बुक्स पब्लिकेशन। जो भी बुक्स फिजिकल एजुकेशन की, फिलोसफीज की, किन्सोलॉजी, बायोमैकेनिक्स, each and every single kind of books which is written by and printed by, those kind of things comes under book publications. The next and the last one is sports broadcasting. There are so many kind of sports channels are there whom required some kind of skill, people who are not knowing about the particular sports. Just like if you are going for a cricket, बॉलिंग एक्शन का आपको फुटेज कहाँ से लेना है, उसकी फोटोग्राफी आपको कहाँ से करनी है, बैटिंग का आपको फोटोग्राफी कहाँ से करनी है, उसकी रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ से करनी है। इवन आपको पता है कि अगर बॉल को बैट से मारा गया तो बॉल किस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है, वी हैव टू जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट पर्टिकुलर बॉल। ये सारी स्किल आपको तभी पता होंगे जब आप उस गेम के बारे में जानते हो, एंड इफ यू आर नोइंग नथिंग अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर गेम, सो स्पोर्ट्स ब्रॉडकास्टिंग इज सो मच काइंड ऑफ अ डिफिकल्ट वर्क फॉर यू। ठीक है, so now that is for our today's class. Thank you.